Ladies final, ladies final. Alaka. Ladies final. Nakauna Grace Ates. So, nag-aaral na nga tumba. Oh. So, nakauna it's Grace Ates. Second it's second Barciana. Barciana on second. Sagoro Loren Gibone. Allah. Oi. Grace Ates sa kauna. Second it's Loren Gibone, Barciana and Laila Goro, Nika Kirol. Alright, Nika guys. Ladies final. And then Kakay de la Pedra. So, Wawa nalo. Sophia na paran. Sang Salceda. La. Kita mana? RFN. Still on the lead, Grace Ates. Second is Lorraine Gibone. Grace Ates. Oh, Lorraine. Since leading position is Lorraine Gibone. Third na Laila. Laila Goro on third. Laila Goro on third. Lagit-gitan Barciana versus Nika Kirol. Wow! Grabe. And Sang Salceda. So leading it's Lorraine Gibone, followed by Grace Ates. Sorry guys, abog na tayo. Third Laila Goro, fourth Nika Kirol. Grabe ang buga. Oh. Laila Goro versus Nika Kirol. Oy! Oh. Outside si Nika. La. Oh, overlap. Madam Plain overlap. Ay, white flag. Ay, third na Nika. Nika Kirol on third. So, leading Japan is Lorraine Gibone. Second, Grace Ates. Third, Nika Kirol. Fourth, it's Laila Goro. Alright guys, it's Sang Salceda. So Waiting for checkered flag. Lorraine Giboni. Second is Grace Atis. Pero ang champion eh, murag si Grace Atis gyapon. Third, Nika Girol. Fourth, Laila Goro. Checkered flag guys. Pero ang champion na ni, it's Grace Atis. Oh, checkered. Ay, natumba pa! Ay! Natumba pa si Nika sa checkered flag. Ay! Oh, ay! Kakay!
Lorin ka ba?
Ha?
Lorin?
Dili. Checkered. Tumba pas kakay.